The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G is an upcoming addition to Samsung's popular A-series lineup, aimed at delivering 5G connectivity and solid performance at an affordable price. Based on the expected features, here's a detailed review. The Galaxy A35 5G continues the minimalist, sleek design typical of Samsung's A-series. It is expected to feature a plastic back with a matte finish, giving it a premium look while keeping the price affordable. The device is likely to be slim and lightweight, making it easy to handle. The phone will likely feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD+ resolution. This type of display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and good brightness levels, making it ideal for media consumption, gaming, and day-to-day use. The screen may also support a 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and transitions. The Galaxy A35 5G is expected to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 or Exynos 1280 chipset, both of which support 5G connectivity and offer good performance for the mid-range segment. This ensures smooth multitasking and decent gaming performance. The phone will likely come with 6 GB of RAM and storage options starting at 128 GB, expandable via a microSD card. This combination should be sufficient for most users, handling everyday apps, light gaming, and multitasking without lag. The phone is expected to feature a 50MP primary sensor, which will deliver sharp and detailed photos, particularly in well-lit conditions. A 8MP ultra-wide lens allows for wide-angle shots, perfect for landscapes and group photos. A 5MP macro sensor is likely included for close-up photography, though this is more of a secondary feature in daily use. The selfie camera is expected to be a 13MP sensor, providing decent image quality for selfies and video calls. It should perform well under good lighting but might struggle a bit in low light. The Galaxy A35 5G is expected to come with a 5000 mAh battery, which will comfortably last through a full day of moderate use, including browsing, social media, and video streaming. The device is likely to support 25W fast charging, which means you can charge it quickly and get back to using it without too much downtime. However, a charger may not be included in the box, following Samsung's recent trend. Pros: 5G connectivity at an affordable price. Large 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with vibrant colors. Solid 50MP main camera for detailed photos. 5000 mAh battery for all-day use. Expandable storage via microSD card. Cons: processor might not be suitable for heavy gaming or demanding tasks. No IP rating for water and dust resistance. Macro camera performance could be limited. Plastic build may feel less premium. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G offers a great balance of performance, display quality, and 5G connectivity, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious users who want a future-proof smartphone. While it may not offer flagship-level performance or camera capabilities, it's perfect for users who need a reliable device for everyday use, with the bonus of fast 5G speeds.